Dad cooked it.
Okay. What is something that lives? Right. Hey man, what's 2 things you can't eat for breakfast?
Lunch and dinner?
Huh?
Lunch and dinner?
He fucking got it. He got it right. So no. All right. What's always coming but never arrives? Yeah, I'll make a drink to think about it. Because I don't know either.
You said what's always coming?
But never arrives.
Always?
Always close. But no cigar. Tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay.
It is. What word is spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary?
Incorrectly.
That's a smart motherfucker. Because I didn't guess that shit. What goes up but never comes down? Praises. Hallelujah. Sorry, no, nah. What goes up but never comes down? I'll give you a hint or take a shot.
I'm gonna do both anyway, so give me a hint.
Both? All right. It has something to do with the year you were born.
Oh, my age?
Damn, he got it. Still drink, because y'all had to give you a hint.
Like I said, I won't want to drink anyway.
Yeah, fuck that. What can one catch that is not thrown?
Well, breathe with love.
See? Give me what answer you think is appropriate, because I guarantee you, when I read this question, I was like, oh yeah, I don't think this is the only answer that can be presented for this. I don't think you get marked wrong for this one.
It's not appropriate though.
Oh, it's not? Oh, that's okay. No, okay. So what can one catch that is not thrown?
Feelings. I don't know. Yeah,
He not wrong. The answer on here is a code. And that lives if it's fed, but dies if you give it a drink.
Lives if it's fed, but dies when you give it a drink.
I got a funny hint if you can't get it.
All right.
No, you think some more.
Lives if it's fed, but dies if you give it a drink.
Lives if it's fed, dies if you give it a drink.
What's up with the water? I don't know.
Oh Lord Jesus, it's a
fish? It's a what? Wait.
A fish. Yeah. Oh Lord Jesus, it's a not no damn fish. If you know, you fucking know.
Oh Lord Jesus. It's not clicking.
Something that hot. It's hot. It's hot.
It's
oh Lord Jesus, it's a
fire. Oh!
Damn!
Oh! Okay. I got bronchitis. I got you.
There you go.
Yeah,
there you go.
Yeah.
It took you fucking 30 minutes.
Yeah, it did. I took that because of that.
A fire. Because that's how she said it. It was a fire.
Oh Lord Jesus.
It was a fire.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
A fish. A damn fish pee. Of all.
And then he was rocking to like, oh,
Nigga, I gave you the setup. All you had to do was slam dunk it. This nigga missed the dunk. Yeah, that's all you had to do.
Yeah, that airball that.
Damn, cuz. Damn.
I airballed that motherfucker.
Airball. What is something that lives if you give it a drink, but die? That's not right. That's not right.